Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see from the lower time frame perspective, we can find significant trading opportunity in dollar yen. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Starting with the monthly perspective, now, from the monthly, we see that dollar yen after this previous monthly bullish candle breaking this monthly high, and then dollar yen started to reject towards the downside. Now, starting from here, we can see that there is a big impulse to the downside with this monthly, followed by this correction. The price is in another impulsive phase. Now, if we take our Fibonacci from starting of this impulse to the end of the impulse, we see that this market has retraced 38.2% Fibonacci level and is smoothly rejected from this zone. That means that it is starting another impulse, and at the same time we see that the price heading to the monthly level of support zone where there's a monthly 20 EMA along this line, creating a smooth level of support, and highly likely that dollar yen will come back down and test this monthly support zone. Now looking at weekly perspective, we can see that dollar yen from the weekly as well is highly bearish. There is a weekly doji that has grabbed liquidity from this resistance line, created this doji, followed by this week we have seen another strong bearish candle. There is a wickless candle at the top, and we saw that this weekly candle is a full body red with a very narrow wick at the bottom. It's a sign that there is a lot of volume in it. As you know that quite a few high impact news gone in this week, so we see that this price also highly bearish and highly likely that the next one after little retracement we can expect to drop again to test this monthly support or even breaking this low. Now, if you look at the daily, we can see the typical change of trend occur from this zone. We saw there was quite a few days consolidation, and the price has broken down, tested this neckline of this reversal, this important level where there is the previous resistance zone here, support here, which is acting as here as resistance. We have seen a strong rejection and a middleman creation with this daily time frame from this resistance level. As a result, we have seen dollar yen started to drop from here. What we can expect now, this price to continue to drop as it is already an established downtrend on the daily as well. Impulse correction tested the neckline of the previous resistance, support as resistance, and we can expect now another drop. Now if I look at for the lower time frame, we can see that there is a clean downtrending market structure, quite a few days of consolidation here we see clearly on the lower time frame, and then breakdown, correction, breakdown, liquidity grab, breaking this swing high, and dollar yen now starting another impulse. Now we saw that quite a few hours here as well, quite a few sessions we have seen a strong liquidity grab with this one here as well. The price has crossed this swing high and then grab liquidity above this 20 EM on the 4 hour, and again started its another move. Now we saw the last day of trading week it was a strongly bearish, has broken all this local level of support. We see the price now below this important zone where we have seen in the past acted here as resistance here, and also acting here as support here. The price below this level, what we can expect in the beginning of trading week, highly likely the price might go ahead and test this zone again, and upon retracing to the upside, any kind of false breakout of this zone can give us a potential opportunity for dollar yen to short. So as soon as we will find opportunity along this zone to short dollar yen, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.